station dulu ya. Hai teman-teman, ayo ikutin aku. Udah ada apa nih? Ini stasiunnya ada di depan.
Tampere, Central, Redfern, Strathfield, Lidcombe, Parramatta, Westmead, Seven Hills, Blacktown. Train was ugly.
Nah, ini udah Central Station nih. Dari sini kita naik tren ke Katembah. Perjalanannya makan waktu selama 3 jam perjalanan. Perjalanan dari Central ke Katembah sekitar 3 jam. Selama 3 jam ini kita bisa lihat pemandangan tuh. Ngantuk banget nih guys, tidur dulu ya. Perjalananku memakan waktu selama 3 jam karena aku dari Cesut. Kalau perjalanan kalian dari Central Station mungkin memakan waktu selama 2 jam perjalanan saja. Nah, kita udah sampai nih di Katembah. Kita berjalan ke hotel dulu nih guys. Udah lama banget. Kita udah sampai nih guys di hotelnya. Deket banget, cuma di depan train station. Tapi kita belum bisa check-innya jam 2. Jadi kita titip barang-barang dulu. Terus kita mau ke Scenic World. Kalau mau ke Scenic World kita harus naik bus selama 15 menit dari train station. ke silau.
Gimana keadaannya, masih pusing nggak?
Enggak,
Tapi
silau. Kalau mata kiriku enggak ada yang belum sama sekali.
langinnya,
Hah?
langinnya belum.
Iya, tapi itu cuma langitnya.
Lu ikut tur ya? Ikut tur di sebelah sana ya, tolong ya.
Enggak lah.
Oh enggak.
Pak aja yang ikut tur. Karena aku. Welcome to Scenic World.
Would you like me to go through the map with you guys as well? The map? Yeah, do you want me to go? Currently here, outside the main building. All the rides here will leave every 10 minutes. I recommend that you start with the Skyway first to come across. Once you're over here, you will have to hop off, line up again, catch it back to the main building. Once you're back here, I recommend you guys take the railway down second. Down here, there's a 10-minute, 30-minute or 50-minute walk you can do. So you can do whichever one you'd like. Then line up here with the cableway, catch this one back up to the main building.
Scenic World awalnya adalah bekas area pertambangan batu bara. Tapi sejak tahun 1945 tempat ini dibuka menjadi tempat wisata. Serunya lagi di Scenic World, kita masih bisa lihat barang-barang asli dari zaman tambang dulu loh. Ada rel tua, gerobak tambang, dan lorong gelap tempat para penambang kerja.
All that stuff on the artifact board there, like whale oil, it does stink. Quite a small man, couldn't be big, tall. The mine here, most of the mining was done on their backs, picking.
Terus ada juga koleksi alat-alat tambang aslinya dari tahun 1898, mulai dari sekop, palu, bor tangan, tali tambang, sampai sepatu khusus kuda tambang yang disebut pied pony shoes. Nah, selain bisa mengenal dan belajar tentang suasana tambang zaman dulu, kita juga bisa seru-seruan naik berbagai wahana yang ada di sini. Ada Scenic Railway, Cableway, dan Skyway. Ikutin aku terus ya. Aku bakal ajak kalian buat cobain satu-satu wahananya. Ini wahana pertama yang bakal ku cobain, namanya Scenic Railway. Scenic Railway adalah kereta paling curam di dunia dengan kemiringan 52 derajat.
Side of the train, doors are now closing.
Aduh, gimana?
Gimana?
Oh,
Jamison Valley, as you go down, hold on, let me see on the list your valuable items or any trinkets that you would like to keep. These are the ones that are
Dulu banget lintasan Scenic Railway ini dipakai buat ngangkut batu bara dari tambang di lembah ke atas tebing. Katanya turun melewati hutan hujan lebat dan masuk ke dalam terowongan. Rasanya kayak naik roller coaster tapi pelan. Terus kita bisa sambil lihat pemandangan alam yang indah banget. Para penambang juga naik turun lewat jalur curam ini loh. Sekarang udah jadi wahana seru dan aman buat wisata. Masih disempatkan waktu untuk merokok di hari panas dan dingin seperti ini. Kita korong coklat. Pipan susu. Pipan susu. Ya, tapi agak jurang. She bit my hair. I didn't mean to. Mama ada three sister. Tapi kok mukanya nggak ada ya, Ma?
Apa?
Tapi kalau mukanya nggak ada ya, katanya three sister. Teman-teman, lihat gak? Batu yang di situ itu namanya three sister loh, tapi gak ada mukanya. Aku bakal kasih tahu kalian tentang legenda Three Sisters di video selanjutnya. Make sure kalian nonton ya.
Jam 2 baru bisa check in.
Oh, berarti masih 3 jam lagi. Ayo kita menghabiskan waktu di sini.
Cari angka.
Ini udah pasang lampu dan ini yang kayak gini.
Nah, ini wahana kedua yang bakal kita naikin, namanya Scenic Skyway. Ini kereta gantung dari kaca yang melintasi jurang.
Gimana? Gimana, mau naik nggak?
UFO ya.
Hah? Naik nggak?
Naik.
Mau naik?
Iya, takut tidak.
Takut?
Iya.
Takut apa?
Ketinggiannya, ntar bisa meninggoy kita. Kita bisa lihat air terjun Ketemu Falls dan Three Sisters dari atas ini. Keren banget.
Kachimba Falls is coming up to the left. The sun is shining on it very heavily, but it's there. And once we get to the other side, you can walk there. It only takes 5 minutes. 5 minutes to get to the top of the waterfall. I really, really recommend it. Beautiful walk.
Ini wahana ketiga, namanya Scenic Cableway.
Jaslyn ready.
just make your way all the way through for me, folks. There's plenty of sights for you guys to see out of all the different windows. I'll be pointing out a few cool things as we make our way up to the top. As we're coming out of the canopy, take a look around us, everyone.
Ini kereta gantung gede yang bisa bawa kita turun ke dasar lembah. Pemandangannya luar biasa indah. Bisa lihat jurang dan tinggi.
Pretty hard to miss. They're very sacred to the traditional custodians of these lands, the Gundungura. Tallest one on the left being 922 meters above sea level. Once we get back up to the top of these cliffs, we're closer to 1,000 meters. Yes, so pretty high up. Makes sense why it's a little bit colder today, but I'm loving it. On the left-hand side, take a look here. We can see these cliffs. Yeah, 220-meter tall sandstone cliffs. The really cool and very important thing about these cliffs is they actually protect the warm temperate rainforest. So that's where you guys just were a second ago, from the harsh afternoon sunshine. So if we did not have these cliffs, we would not have the rainforest. It's a little bit of shadow starting to creep across the valley just behind us there. But if you stick around later in the day after lunchtime, maybe the shadow will be pretty much covering the entire valley by then. On the right hand side, coming up, we can see Orphan Rock. Yeah, this lone sandstone pillar separated from the cliff. It's called Orphan Rock. Now, back in the day, it was a very popular lookout spot. People would come far and wide to climb up Orphan Rock and to see the sights. Unfortunately, back in 1974, a mudslide actually took out the access point, so it's been deemed too unsafe to climb and closed to the public for the past 50 or so years now. So not the best place to go if you're keen for a bit of a hike. Now we're coming through the middle towers here to come to the top of this. We're going to go for a bit of a swing. Here we go. There we go. It's a nice way to end our journey. Bit of a swing as we come up to the top. And yes, there's a slight down coming into the top station. Congratulations, everyone! You've just made it up on the Southern Hemisphere's steepest aerial cable car. Wow, you really didn't know.
Habis naik cable car dan Scenic Railway, rasanya tegang, rasanya takut banget karena tinggi, apalagi Scenic Railway. Tadi itu cepet banget loh guys turunnya. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Jangan lupa like dan share ke teman kalian. See you on my next video.